I've always had a fascination with fictional characters. From novels, film, video games, we followed heroes on captivating journeys and walked in the footsteps of villains we feared, then grew to love. Many companies have aimed to bring these characters to life in all shapes and sizes. Unfortunately, the price and availability of these products make owning an interactive character of your own a distant dream. Little Buddy is a cost-effective interactive robot made with 3D printed parts and comes from many inspirations. Its design is influenced by Eastern and Western graphic novels, with its movement inspired by idle animations in gaming. Little Buddy adds a level of interaction and engagement to your collection. Designed to respond to its user, Little Buddy will acknowledge you in its own little way. This is made possible using a Seeed Studio Zhao RP2040 PCB with a Hall effect sensor that detects magnetic fields and controls a servo motor to perform precise motions. Its sleek polygonal design allows for your own personal flair, as it comes with a variety of facial expressions cut on vinyl sheets for your own personal customization. With future plans for an extensive selection of characters, expect to see your favourite Little Buddy by your side soon. Whether you're chilling on the couch or hard at work, Little Buddy is your faithful robot companion that just wants to hang out and help you de-stress.